Okay, so here's one of the clocks that I recently fixed. Probably like 2 weeks ago. But anyways, here was a Sessions time-only Regulator wall clock. And it includes a calendar in it, as you can see on dial. I got it for $25. But when I got it, it didn't work. Plus, it didn't include a pendulum. So then, I ordered a new pendulum for it, and here it is. This pendulum isn't included in this clock. Probably it belonged to an Ingram regular wall clock. And yeah, as you can see, have those star on the wood, your dial and the pendulum. And that Waco text, which you mostly see on almost all of the Waco clocks you can find. This is not the original key. I just found the key to attach it to this clock. I just found this key from a random clock. Here's a close-up view of the dial. And I'm going to open it. The bezel is really loose on it. A calendar like dill at the end of it. It's shaped like a moon. Like there. I'm closing it. There we go. Now there's a really cool latch right there, yo. If you take this off, there's a little open. There's the key. I don't know what that is like there. But you may notice that the spring is will expand right there. That's mainly because the spring always slips if you want it tighter. I need to repair the spring eventually. But for now I got it working. And yeah, that's all for today's video.